Today, in the period of vulnerability, monetary security and the speed of exchanges are critical for the development of economies. Eventually, everything reduces to a carefully designed and profoundly secure structure that could be useful to store and re-establish all information on the blockchain-empowered state, where exchanging could be worked with alongside quicker installments and exchanges, and all disposing of the job of delegates, a consequence of hard and perfect work. The outline of Torrential Slide, a seed thought that was conceptualized by Cornell scientist Emin Gunsayer in September 2020, for the most part putting together the stage with respect to blockchain calculations principally to resolve the issues of sped-up, decentralization, and security. With this sort of strong blockchain innovation, the Torrential Slide network will go about as a critical power supporter demonstrating progressive in the realm of installment, as an impetus to empower quick-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment biological system. Torrential Slide will carry revolutionary change to back. Torrential Slide biological system is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications, and instruments with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders, and lower charges. It is an umbrella stage for sending off DeFi applications, resources, exchanging, and different administrations for blockchain designers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing shrewd agreements and other cutting-edge innovation. A vital contrast between Torrential Slide blockchain and other blockchain stages is its administration system. Marking rewards are dependent upon dynamic changes as the framework advances. Torrential Slide, the inborn potential. Without a doubt, the Torrential Slide blockchain has incredible potential and will generally be the most appealing digital currency, basically for its local token, Avax, which guarantees high exchange security combined with speed scaling 1 trillion every second. No big surprise the always dynamic group of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers is creating and keeping up with the Torrential Slide digital money, arising as a very powerful and energetic power. Avax will be the pick and selection of brokers, particularly in light of the fact that it has endured for the long haul. Likewise, financial backers have found an element of dependability implanted in this token. The badge of Avax capabilities as a prizes and installment framework for clients. Torrential Slide, the people group and organizations. The principal point of the Torrential Slide local area isn't to lead exclusively on the development way. The Torrential Slide local area is humming about its achievements and huge commitment, particularly after Torrential Slide opened Denali testnet. It approved the force of Torrential Slide agreement and light engineering that offers more fair cooperation rather than costly equipment, being recorded on famous computerized money trades like Coinbase and Binance. Avax offers its dealers a protected and trustworthy stage, empowering lesser charges and a plenty of advanced resources for single out from. Torrential Slide stage has additionally marked a settlement with different environments like Chainlink, Bilira, and so on, taking its forceful mechanical drives to a higher level. The essential objective behind organizations is to construct a compassionate local area around the world, subsequently making an equivalent, economical, and decentralized world. Aside from these discussions, Avax has made further improvements in its organization and its acknowledgement all over the planet. On June 10, 2022, Japan's top crypto trade OKCoin recorded Avax. Brokers and financial backers are good to go for the recipe race end of the week. Aside from this, the Torrential Slide establishment has likewise sent off Multiverse. This new motivation program will uphold new biological systems, NFTs, DeFi, as well as institutional use cases. Adding to this rundown, Kalau has likewise held hands with Avax to construct items for NFT dealers and makers. This will assist them with encountering NFTs in new frictionless and easy ways. Ultimately, one of the greatest coordination is that of Chainlink managers and Chainlink YRF incorporating with the essential Torrential Slide organization. This coordination will be really useful for the token as it will decrease the responsibility and improve the uptime and security of the brilliant agreements. This news, joining, and acknowledgement will assist Avax with getting the notice of financial backers and dealers. The rising interest will, thus, lead to the rising worth of the token. The digital money value forecast is dependent upon the exhibition of the individual Symbolics Foundation, its headways, and the whole crypto market status. One can never know the specific future exhibition of any token. That being said, specialized examination, Avax forecast, and different perceptions take care of business as a guide all the while. The ongoing cost of a Avax is $18.43, with a market capitalization of $5,408,967,424. The 24 hours exchanging volume of the Avax token is $381,292,309, with a circling supply of 294,713,816.16 Avax on the lookout. AVAX cryptographic money is hugely dependent on decentralized applications remaining in front of other state-of-the-art advances in the current decentralized blockchain networks. The torrential slide conjecture is simply reliant upon digital money market development. The blast time for torrential slide drives the value estimate to remain substantial on this record before long. In light of a VAX cost estimate, a drawn-out increment isn't normal. The cost visualization for long-term end is $1.36. They accept that your ongoing speculation might be depreciated from now on. Toward the start of 2022, the torrential slide cost was around $112. The ongoing cost of a VAX is $18.43, which shows that the cost fell has been radical. The estimated torrential slide cost toward the finish of 2022 is $23.97, and the year-to-year change will be around plus 31%. Toward the finish of 2022, the cost of torrential slide will be around $22.76. The most extreme and least costs for 2023 might be around $55.84 and $49.55. Separately, their torrential slide cost expectation shows that toward the finish of December 2025, the cost might be $128.39. As per our torrential slide cost expectations, the future cost could arrive at somewhere near the $56.35 mark in the following a year, making it a productive venture. The torrential slide cost is estimated to reach $21.69 by the start of December 2022. The normal most extreme cost is $27.12, with a base exchanging cost of $18.44. Torrential slide cost expectation for multi-month end are $21.69. Torrential slide value expectation 2022. Until the end of the year, the base cost and most extreme cost are supposed to be $20 and $39 separately, as indicated by our AVAX cost forecast 2022 in specialized examination. Simultaneously, the typical cost might be $29.50 with a difference in 95%. Torrential slide value expectation for October 2022. For the long stretch of October, our AVAX cost expectation for 2022 shows the base and most extreme costs of $24 and $28, while the market opinion recommends a typical cost of $26. Torrential slide value forecasts November 2022. The AVAX cost estimate organized by our specialists proposes that the coin will exchange a scope of $28 to $32 in November 2022. The previous is supposed to be the base worth, while the last option is the greatest worth. Torrential slide value expectation for December 2022. Our AVAX cost expectations uncover that the coin will have a base, greatest, and normal cost of $33, $39, and $35.50. Separately, torrential slide value expectation 2023. In light of our torrential slide cost expectation for the approaching year, the AVAX coin might have least and greatest costs of $42 and $55 separately. The adjustment of the cost is supposed